What's up, guys? We're here today at a secret location and we're gonna be filming a little Driftmas episode for you. Got the guy setting up over there, starting some of the filming. It's gonna be awesome.
Like, look, my name's Matt Andrick. Look at my nice trim. Look at my nice nose cowl panel. Look at my fresh ass paint.
Looks like we're staging up, getting ready to shoot this. Got the crowd.
Up a bit, and I can walk past this section, or you tell me.
And action. Damn. Come on in.
No, you can come this way. Just go to the lot. Everyone's in there right now.
What's up, baby?
What up, what up?
Oh, Mrs. Claus is still sitting on her recliner.
Do it again. Yeah, do a Tokyo Drift remix. Ding, 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 ding. All right, let's see what's going on over here. Looks like the guys are setting up the cars, as you can hear.
Alright, I have no idea how much air pressure it is in these, so.
I think that's how you do it.
Josh has a gauge, dude.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it.
Hell yeah. So all four cars are gonna do one spin each, and then the last car is gonna do two to go back and pick up Rich.
Let's go!
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
Yep.
A little scared.
Good to go?
Some presents to deliver, boys.
Holy sh**. Alright, we are getting ready to get this show on the road.
Oh my god, dude.
How was that?
I just clenched my teeth and closed my eyes and just got rocked by the presence.
Dude, we should put the boxes in a wall and like drag the wall.
Yep.
Yo! I just thought about it. I need third to make it back to that birch tree. I don't know if this clutch has it. I don't want to break the clutch now though. It's early.
Got a hole in the radiator.
Jared coming? The bottom.
How's it going over here?
Cheating up. I'm honestly surprised you didn't go get that other radiator. Oh man!
I want to thank my man Josh Kowitsky with his sexy 350Z JZ swapped. He really helped me pull this together, contacting all the dudes. He was down, convincing everyone to fix their car last minute.
You want to put these lights on?
Oh, I didn't even know you were fucking
I know how we can end it too. You picking up the box and be like, ask for help!
Yeah. I asked for help, not a mess! And they can just go around me and then, what the Christmas? And then you can start panning out.
Yeah.
We should do something like that, yeah.
We're just gonna go around you?
Yeah, he's gonna be here first shot as you guys go around, then we're gonna do one more throw.
Christmas is saved. We did it.